So next is how to add fib icon. To add a fib icon is, or how to add fib icon is to add an HTML file para sa top. So guys, so to create a fib icon, pili tayo pumunta dito, and then import natin yung image natin. Save. Guys, desktop natin. So yan, upload. So upload natin yan, and then use animation. So where we can download this? Okay, there. So yeah, we have now downloaded this file into include this in this file. So we have already fib icon. Tapos to link our fib icon, we need to add this on our HTML. So, like this. So nata under sa head tag. So tira natin butang ito ang fib icon. So link, tapos select na natin fib icon tab. So yan. So we have fib icon, and then save natin. Tapos ito ang globe. So mag-change na yan into this. So very simple lang po.